I guess. So, we all have parents, and with parents comes relationships. And when we have relationships with our parents, they can be, on this side good, this side bad, or like, a little bit in between. Because our parents are us. As us in the sense that they were once children. This is their first time on this earth. Maybe. Reincarnation is a thing for me, I believe. So, with that being said, I know that my parents, well, my dad, he passed away in 2017, and after he passed away, I had a lot of guilt and anger and shame and remorse towards him because of his choices. Like, uh, yeah, any 17-year-old man, boy, young man would be discouraged about his father dying. Now that's like 7 years ago almost. I'm 24. And I've learned to forgive your parents for the choices that they made because they're trying. Just as you and I are trying, our parents are trying. We need to let go and forgive our parents to strengthen our relationship with them, to move forward with the hurt that's inside our hearts. Because I know for me, there's a lot of hurt in my heart. And a lot of it comes from my relationship with my mom and my relationship with my dad. Yes, Milo, you got any things to say, to add? Just gonna walk around? Okay. Now she'll come up. Hey? Meow. Meow. That's my applesauce. Hey. But our video for today is forgive. Forgive your parents. If you can forgive your parents, even if you can't forgive yourself, start by forgiving someone who has hurt you. Because at least if you let go of that one thing, it's going to be a lot less weight to look at in the long run. And yes, I'm almost done. And love yourself. Continue to grow. Continue to remember that you're here.